From now on, we must love Noah just as much as Sophie.
But you don't love me anymore.
That's not true, Sophie. We love you both.
Shh, it's okay. I'm sorry.
Noah, don't just stand there. Go wash the dirty clothes immediately.
But Dad, it's so much.
No excuses. Start sorting it now.
Okay, Dad. I'll do it.
This is totally unfair. I am not going to share my parents. It's not fair. I want them all to myself. Please?
You are a good boy. I love you very much.
I love you too, Mom.
Shh, it's okay, my love.
Okay, Mom.
My sweet boy.
This is the best family movie night.
Yeah, sharing the popcorn is nice.
Noah, that car isn't gonna wash itself. Get to work right now.
But Dad, it's freezing out here.
No excuses, Noah.
These clothes are really heavy. I will help my family.
Max, is that you in there? Hold on, I'm digging you out.
Hurry up, kids. The ice cream is melting in these bags.
We're coming, Dad. I'll help with the bags.
Your hands will get tired. Put that on Noah's head.
Whoa, this is really heavy. I can barely see. Whatever. This new song is totally awesome.
Hey, you're supposed to help with the groceries.
Ugh, later. I'm busy.
Watch out! My brakes are slipping. They're not working. I'm so scared. I can't stop. Ah! Help! I'm going to crash.
Move out of the way!
I can't stop! Mom!
What phone? Watch out! I said move. Ouch. My leg.
Are you okay? Let me help.
It hurts so much.
Mom, are you okay?
That really hurts. I cannot stand up.
I'm calling for help.
I fell. It hurts so much.
Don't cry. I'm here.
Thank you, sweetie.
I'm almost there.
Hold on. I am coming right now.
I'm coming, Max. Stay with me, buddy.
Max, now is not the time to eat a burger. Get back here! Max, stop running!
Stop! Give me the burger! Okay, you win. Let's share. No way! He ate the whole thing in a second! Max, you little thief!
I have to call Dad immediately. Please pick up the phone. I need to talk to him.
Sorry, team. My phone is ringing. Let me check it quickly. It's just my son calling.
He cut the call. It is okay, Mom. I will call 911. Okay, honey. Hello? 911? We need help in the park. Hello, ambulance? Please help. My mom had a bad accident. We're in the park. She's hurt bad. Okay, thank you. Please hurry.
There are only a few injuries. She is fine. See ya.
But she's hurt. We should go to the hospital.
I am not going to the hospital. I have a cinema ticket. Please wait. See ya.
Sophie, wait. How can you just leave us here like this? Look, Mom. The ambulance is finally here. You are safe now. Oh, my sweet boy. I'm here, Mom. It'll be okay. Thank you, dear.
We got her, buddy. You did a great job helping her out.
Really? She's okay?
Yes, thanks to you and your dog.
You have a bad scrape, but nothing is broken. Relax.
So it's not bad?
No, you'll be fine. Just relax and rest.
That's a relief. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thanks. Thank goodness. You are very brave, Mom. It will be okay.
Oh, my sweet boy. I love you so much. I am putting a bandage on this injury.
Okay, thank you.
Keep it clean.
Will it hurt?
No, it will be all right. Just keep it clean.
Thank you. How do we keep it clean?
Just don't touch it. I'll check it soon.
Are you okay?
Thank you for taking me to the hospital, Noah. You are a good boy. Dad, please pick up this time. It is a real emergency.
Noah, I am busy. Why do you keep calling my phone?
What? An accident? Is she okay? Are you at the hospital? I'm on my way.
Tell her I love her.
She is okay now. We are taking a taxi home after treatment.
I'm so glad.
Yeah, see you soon.
Next stop, your house. Sit back and enjoy the ride, folks.
Ah! Too fast! Whoa, we're gonna crash! Whoa, too fast! We're gonna crash! Slow down!
Hang on tight. This is fun.
This is not fun!
Does your leg still hurt, Mom?
A little, honey.
We are almost home now.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Ouch, slow down, Noah. I have to be careful with my steps.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Shh, it's okay, I'm not angry.
Okay.
Let's go home.
I'm ringing the doorbell. Someone will open it right away.
Dad, someone is at the door. Go and open it, please. I think it's important.
Oh my goodness, Olivia. I am so sorry this happened to you.
It was an accident.
I know. Let me help. Sit down and rest, honey. Let me get you a soft pillow.
Thank you. Look, Max is helping. Good boy, Max.
There we go. All settled. Noah, don't just stand there. Go wash the dirty clothes immediately. After that, you need to cook the food for all of us.
Yes, Dad.
Good. Don't disappoint me.
These clothes are heavy, but I want to help my family. There we go. All done. There we go. Now I have to make a nice dinner. I will make chicken soup.
It smells delicious.
Hee hee, you silly puppy.
That was a big one. It is the best food for sick people. Oh, Max.
I hope Mom likes my special recipe. Woof, woof. You like it? Good boy. Let's save some for Mom.
Here you go, Mom. I made some special hot soup for you.
Oh, honey, this is so thoughtful.
I hope you like it.
I love it. Thank you.
You made this for me? After how we treated you today?
I'm so sorry.
Thank you. This means so much.
Of course. You are my mom, and I love you very much.
Oh, sweetie, I love you too so much. Oh, Noah, I am so sorry. You are such a sweet, wonderful boy.
I love you so much. I love you too, Mom.
Shh, it's okay now.
Don't cry, Mom. Everything is going to be all right now.
He is an amazing kid. I have been so blind and unfair. He's been trying so hard and I never saw it. I love you, son.
We have done a terrible injustice to Noah for so long.
You are right.
We only showed love to our real daughter, Sophie.
It's not too late to change.
I hope so.
Huh? What are Mom and Dad talking about in there?
Noah was very nice to us today.
From now on, we must love Noah just as much as Sophie.
This is totally unfair. I am not going to share my parents. Why can't I have them all to myself?
Good morning, Sophie. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, Daddy, I had a good sleep.
Good. And good morning to you too, Noah. Welcome to breakfast.
Morning, Dad. Thanks.
Clumsy Noah. Oops, look what happened. Sophie, you did that on purpose. You are so clumsy today, Noah.
Sophie, apologize to Noah right now. That was very unkind of you.
No, I'm not sorry.
Sophie, that's enough. Apologize.
Why should I? He started it.
Whatever, I don't care. He is not even my real brother anyway.
Young lady, that's enough. Sophie, come back. We need to talk about this.
Her bad habits are getting worse. The gap between us is growing.
I don't need them. I can have fun all by myself. It is okay, Dad. She is just a little upset right now. She just needs a little time. We can help her feel better.
We have a surprise for you. We are getting you admission into a very good school, buddy. Who does he think he is? He's not ready for this. You are going to love it.
Really? Thank you.
It's going to be great.
Wow, really? Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. I love studying.
We're so proud of you.
I love you too. Bye. I am going to make so many new friends today.
Bye, Noah. Have a great day.
Max? Please, don't you want to play with me?
It's okay, I'm sorry. You did so well on your English spelling test, Noah. Great job.
Thank you!
You got every word right. I'm so proud of you.
I practiced a lot!
It really shows.
They look so happy together. I really wish I was nice to him. I will just swing very high. Look at me, everybody. And higher still. Help! My hand slipped off the rope. I'm falling! Somebody catch me!
My arm, that was a really hard fall on the ground.
It hurts so much. I just wanted to swing.
Hold on. I am coming right now to help you up.
Thank you.
What will happen next? Share this video with your friends to find out.
Are you all right, Sophie? Let me dust off your dress.
I'm okay, thank you.
There, all better.
You are helping me? Even after I was so mean to you?
Yeah, I am.
I'm so sorry for being mean.
It's okay, we're friends.
Thank you.
Of course. We are family, and family always helps each other out, no matter what.
I am so sorry, Noah. Please forgive me for my bad habits.
It's okay, I forgive you.
Thank you, Noah.
I forgive you completely, Sophie. Don't cry. Everything is okay now.
Thank you. I was so scared.
Shh, it's all better now, I promise.
I was so selfish and wrong. Mom, Dad, I am sorry for misbehaving. I was just very jealous. I'm sorry.
We forgive you, sweetheart.
We love you.
We are so proud of you for admitting your mistakes today, Sophie.
Thank you, Dad.
It shows real courage. I love you.
I love you too.
We forgive you, sweetheart. We love both of you equally and forever. Shh, it's okay. We love you.
This is the best family movie night we have ever had together. Oh, Max, you little sneak.
He got you good, Sophie.
Max, my popcorn! And it is all because I learned to share and be kind.
Kindness and fairness make a house feel like a real, happy home.
I love our family so much. We are definitely the best team.
Even Max knows that we are a real, perfect, happy family now.
Yes, we're finally a family.
Best family ever.
I love you, Max!
Look at them, so happy.
Remember, kids, true love has no boundaries or differences at all.
That's right, sweethearts.
We love you!
Love you too!
Goodbye, friends. Always remember to be kind to your family members. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing learning stories.
Subscribe now!
We have so many fun stories to share.
Please subscribe. Yeah, don't miss out. Did you learn a good lesson today? Please comment below and tell us.
We'd love to hear from you. Share your stories.